Gefa's product range includes a variety of hollow ropes, made from different materials, offering a wide range of load-bearing capacities. The systems can essentially be installed as a single component with abrasion protection, or as a multi-component system, for example with loop straps. The range of rope strengths from 2 to 10 tons is covered by classic polyester ropes, green identification thread, and a more stretchable variant made of polyamide, blue identification thread. Both have white indicator threads for early warning of breakage.